Well, the start of another Dynodaze video, and this silver FN2 Civic is in today for a remap. It's been tuned before, a company up north that do a good job, but we've got our mandate to see what we can do, and we shall do that indeed. So first thing we're going to do is stock power run, see what she puts out now, and then we're going to we'll see where we can improve. Okay, so first up, standard power run. Here we go. Happy double Monday.
Double Monday?
Yeah, because it's a Monday and we shouldn't be here. That makes it
bank holiday.
That makes it double Monday.
You won't start me off moaning about the bank holiday again.
So, why? Because we didn't moan enough on Friday?
Yeah, because we didn't moan enough on Friday.
Well, it is Monday. We have this beautiful silver FN2 in for Matt, and Richard's busy beavering away. It's got a HKS induction kit and a Piper catback system, and that's it. So it's been back previously on the initial power run to where we are right now. We've already made some improvements, albeit slight, because obviously there's only so much you can do with an NA car that's still got its standard manifold and cat. So, but we're gonna see something.
As we always say, first restriction is your restriction.
It is indeed.
So,
yeah. Well, let's see how we get on. Looking for your input, mate.
Why are you back here sticking that camera in my face again?
I'm interested.
Interested in what?
What we've just been doing now. I enjoy that bit.
You were mapping, mate.
I know that, mate. Go through the timing tables, aren't you, mate?
Yeah. Who's gonna break first? It was you. Just admit you're going bold, mate. I've got a receding bit here, look, I don't care.
Well, I'll wear a hat until I'm 100 years old. Right, so Bank Holiday Monday, silver FN2, very nice silver FN2 in for a map. It's been mapped previously. And we did an initial power run. It made 200 and 5 brake horsepower.
It did.
And Richard's mapped it, and it's leaving on 211 peak.
I mean, it's had some modifications since previously being mapped, hence the reason he wanted it mapping now. But still on standard manifold, still on standard cat, and as we know with these, that really hurts these. You know, you'd expect it to make around the 220 mark if it had a manifold and a sports cat on it, or a manifold and a D cat on it. So, you know, there is a good 10 brake in there with these manifolds. There's definitely more to be had.
It's got HKS induction kit.
HKS induction kit, which was added, and obviously it had an exhaust added, obviously since the previous map. The map was done on a bone stock car, from what I understand. So we made a little bit, which is great, but obviously, again, the first restriction is the restriction, so manifold's a restriction, we can't make any more. Got a bit of a flat spot that comes in, but again, it's characteristic of the standard cat.
Yeah.
Obviously, it fills the exhaust, so we can't get it out, and therefore you end up with a little bit of a lull in the mid-range, which is what we've got. You know, suggested the customer go with the Piper manifold and sports cat if he wants to remain legal, and then obviously we can make some power from there.
Certainly can. Available on the website.
Should we have a look at the graph?
Come on. So there she is. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. As you can see, we've made power from about 4 and a bit onwards, right up the rev range there. And we finish on 178 wheel horsepower, which is 200, I'm calling that 212. So there we go. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we shall not see you on the next bank holiday Monday, but we will see you on the next video, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Say it again. Life moves pretty fast.